Hi, welcome to video tutorial of Team Legacy. One of the single most important statements in every programming language is the if statement. Being able to set up conditional blocks of code is a fundamental principle of writing software. In C#, the if statement is very simple to use. If you have already used another programming languages, chances are that you can use the if statement straight away. The if statement needs a Boolean result that is true or false. In some programming languages, several data types can be automatically converted into booleans, but in C#, you have to specifically make the result boolean. In our example right here, we use two statements to check if the entered number is between 0 to 10, and a companion of the if statement, the else keyword. Its meaning should be obvious to anyone speaking English. It simply offers an alternative to the code being executed if the condition of the statement is not met. As you may have noticed, we don't use the end characters to define the conditional blocks of code. The rules is that if a block of code only contains a single line of code, the block characters are not required. Now this seems like a lot of lines. Simply check a number, doesn't it? Well, it can be done with a fewer line of codes. Let me execute the code to know what it does. Control F5. It asks for a number. If we enter 5, accepted. Now let's erase this line because it's too much. So many line of codes in there. Now let's type if number is 10 or number is less than 0. And the next line of code is console at write line that says the input should be 0 or more and 10 or less. The else statement, console that write line, it says an accepted input. Oh, we have an error. Okay, here's an error. So, there you go. Now let's run the code. Enter a number, see if we have 9, input accepted. What if we had 21? Oh, the input should be 0 or less. Now, we put each condition in a set of parentheses and then we use the OR operator right here, which simply means OR, to check if the number is either more than 10 or less than 0. Another operator we will be using a lot is the AND operator, which is written like this. Let's go ampersands. Could we have used the AND operator instead? Of course, we simply turn it around a bit like this. Change the OR and then change it to ampersands. And some few modifications in our if statement. This should be less than 10 and this should be greater than or equal to 0. Now this block of code right here is the correct one, so we have to change what it says. Now this says an input accepted, and this is the false one. Let's change it to um, should be less than 10. Should be less. Oops. Less than 10 or more than 0. We run the code. If we have 9, should be accepted, right? Input accepted. But what if we had more than 10? Let's say we have an 11. Should be less than 10. We should. And that sums up our video tutorial on how to use the if and else statement in C#. Thank you.